Hi everyone, it's Marlon and welcome back to my channel. And today pag-uusapan natin ang bagong product ng Facebook at Rayban. So nag-collaborate sila to come up with this idea na gumawa ng Rayban sunglasses. I think it was last week when I was browsing my Facebook. I came across this one video kung saan pinakita yung ano ba itong product na ito. On that video, they showed kung paano nila ginagamit itong sunglass na ito to capture videos, to take pictures, to answer calls, to reject calls, and to even listen to music using this technology. So di ba kaiba? There are other previous attempts from other companies like I think Snapchat. They have the same idea, but it just looks weird and it wasn't patronized by the majority. This one looks really cool. So it's like a normal Ray-Ban glass, but only with built-in cameras, with built-in speakers and microphone, all in one. Di ba, Astig? Kaya naman ako bilang nahilig ako sa technology in general. So things like this, I'm really curious and I'm really interested. So that's why I got one of these. Today I tried this out. I took my skateboard and skate outside to see how this holds up, how to use it, things like that. So today what we're going to do is I'm going to discuss the pros and cons and all my observations about this product. Just to give you a heads up, this video is not about like listing down the specifications, like the technical specs of, you know, the hardware and stuff like that. So I'm not very techie. I'm more on the functionality, on the usability of this new technology. Para magkaroon kayo ng idea, bago kayo bumili nito, at least meron kayong first-hand information from someone na first-hand naka-experience ng product na to. Walang cheche-bureche, walang halong eklabu. Let's go! So first one, let's go to the pros, I think, sa mga positive muna, bago tayo pumunta sa mga negative na napansin ko. Unang-una, I think kudos to the idea that you can actually capture pictures and videos right there and then without taking your phone out of your pocket. Like right on the spot, you can capture something. And also, the idea that you can actually do something, do stuff that you love, without holding anything on your hand, like your hands free. Let's say for example, ako nag-skateboard ako. I used to like use my phone to take videos of me doing skateboard, and it's just a matter of, you know, time para magkaroon ka ng mistake at ma-aksidente ka, because that's not really safe. So yeah, so being able to skate without anything on your hand and being able to capture the view, the activity in general, that's really cool. So yeah, I think that's one of the main pros of this product. Convenience and safety. Another one, you can customize this. You can ask them to have it like customized with your own grade, sa grado ng mata mo. So pwede mong paayos yun. Maraming combination ng color. You basically treat this as like a normal Ray-Ban sunglasses with added feature. Another pro na napansin ko is the setup. Since these are smart sunglasses, it needs to work with your phone, with your smartphones. And I think they've done a pretty good job to give instructions how to connect this to your phone, because it has an app, like a dedicated app just for this. It's called Facebook View app. Open the app once downloaded, and then susundan mo lang yung prompt. Sabihin niya kung ano yung next step, buksan mo yung wifi mo, buksan mo yung bluetooth mo, tapos ilapit mo yung sunglass mo sa my phone mo. So things like that. Very easy to follow. And on that Facebook View app as well, there's a product tour kung saan tuturuan nila kayo kung paano gamitin to. So halimbawa, sa pag-take ng picture, you have to press and hold it. Pag-take ng video, you just have to press the button on the side just once. Once you buy one of these, it's really easy, which is amazing. Yeah. And another good thing about this product is you can play music. You have to tap the side of the frame once in order to activate your music player. In my case, I have Spotify. So yeah, it's really cool. Share me your experience when you have one of these and then you first try to listen to music. Because while I was setting it up a while ago, Sobrang na-amaze ako kasi parang, shit, totoo nga, ang galing. These are everything all in one. You have camera, you have music, you have phone call capability. So parang you don't really need your phone. You will be able to focus on what's in front of you, what's happening, you know. Napansin niyo ba, pagka parang hindi niyo ma-enjoy yung moment, pagka binivideohan mo yung isang pangyayari, kasi naka-focus ka sa screen mo, not on the object itself. Ay, di ko alam kung ganda yung feeling niya, pero ganun yung nafe-feel ko every time na may something, halimbawa fireworks. Hindi ko talaga ma-appreciate yung fireworks pagka pinivideohan ko. Kaya parang pag nagka-fireworks, di ko na hinuhugot yung phone ko kasi parang mas okay na panoorin na lang siya ng walang ibang distraction. So yun, I think that's a good thing. So being able to do that is, it's just amazing. Right. So yeah. So let's go to the other side, which is the negative side na naobserbahan ko. Yeah. Unang-una, when you take videos, mapapansin nyo na yung aspect ratio niya or yung shape ng video is like square. Hindi siya yung full frame na parang size ng phone na video, which really sucks. These are called Rayban stories and it's meant for stories. But then the videos, the aspect ratio is just 1:1. It's not even for IG stories. It's more like IG posts. Kasi di ba nga, kanina lumabas ako, nag-skateboard ako. Gusto ko sana ma-capture yung pa ako, tsaka yung skateboard mismo. Tingin ako na tingin sa baba. Tingin. So, ang dami kong kinuha video kanina. So, after kong lumabas kanina, bumalik na ako, chinek ko na yung mga videos. Pagtingin ko, hindi pala nakuha hindi na nakuha yung pa ako, tsaka yung skateboard. Yun nga yung sense kung bakit ko siya gustong i-try gamitin habang nag-skateboard ako para makita yung skateboard tsaka yung pa ako, which is hindi nakuha. One of the limitations nito is yung aspect ratio at yung scope nung lens niya. Yung coverage ng camera is already wide, but then I was hoping it's wider like vertically wise. So wider sa top and bottom. The second one would be the quality of the picture and the video on daylight with enough light source on like outdoor is really clear, really good. These are just 5 megapixels camera, so what can you expect, right? So on a daytime, I think you can ask for more. I mean, it's just enough to post on social media. But then at night, it's very noisy. It's lacking dark mode. It has poor dark. So on a daytime, it's okay, but on a nighttime, no. That's it. That's what I'm trying to say. Third negative thing about this is the microphone. Inside here at my place, it sounds okay. It's really clear. I was actually amazed how clear the audio is. But then when I went outside, kasi nag-skate ako sa gilid lang, tapos yung kalapit ko is main road, so may mga sasakyan na dumadaan. So habang ginagawa ko yun, syempre maingay. And yung skateboard ko, maingay din habang umaandar. So napansin ko na parang hindi clear yung audio. Kasi nagsasalita rin ako habang nag-skate. Kasi nga tinetest ko, gusto ko malaman kung gaano ba clear yung audio. Pero hindi siya ganun ka-clear. Yeah! It's taking a video now. It's really cool. Yeah, so that's so good. Oh my goodness. Proud of him, 'cause after all, he's just. Again, bottom line here is that microphone okay. I guess it depends on the situation and in the environment you are in. Walang maingay, walang umiyak na bata, you'll be fine. Another thing that I don't like about this one is the glossy finish of the frame. I wish there's an option to get the matte finish frames. This would look way cooler if it's matte. But I guess Rayban is known to have like shiny, glossy frames, so I think there's nothing else we can do about that. That's just a minor thing. It's just, kaartehan lang. The last one and the most frustrating thing about this technology is that you can only record 30 seconds of video. Well, I think they did that on purpose. For me, this technology is very powerful, you know. It depends on how you're gonna use this, because some people might take advantage of its capability and they use it for spying, which is not good. Just to let you know, there's a light here that indicates if you are taking pictures or taking videos. So other people would know that you're actually recording or taking pictures. Because, you know, you cannot just take pictures of someone else. You need to ask for permission. That's why this light here is there for that purpose, to let other people know that, hey, I'm recording, say hi. One thing about this light is it's unnoticeable, especially on daytime. If it's dark, it's very evident. Kaya yun, so other people might use this for other things. Secretly taking pictures or videos of someone. You can use this for stalking, something like that. Yeah, mag-iingat kayo. Right, so that's it. But overall, I think this is really cool, you know. It's a nice to have, though it's very expensive. I got this for 539 Australian dollars, and it's, if you convert that to peso, it's around 20k, which is, overall, I enjoy using this today, and I'm looking forward to using this more. I'll try to explore and try to use this more often and see what else can I do with it. So yeah, if you have any questions or recommendations or suggestions, please feel free to comment down below. And if you like videos like this, also let me know. And don't forget to subscribe. Yeah, my channel is still baby channel. It still needs to grow. So I would really appreciate if you subscribe to my channel. And yeah, I'm just doing this for fun, doing this because I've got nothing to do right now, and I'm just making use of my time wisely while lockdown, you know. Well, maraming salamat sa panonood at sa pakikinig, and see you in the next one.